All right, it's time for some Monday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're having a good Monday. After last week, we need one. We're going to start with Elijah Harris celebrating birthday number 5. A very happy birthday to you, Elijah.
Also celebrating a 5th birthday is Harlan Spainhoward over in Bronson, Kansas. Happy birthday, Harlan.
And over in Sheldon, we've got Maddie Jo Westerhold celebrating birthday number 6. Happy birthday, Maddie.
Taking it over to Pittsburgh, Kansas. Happy 15th birthday to Brooklyn Loftmiller, who is a freshman at Pittsburgh High School.
And just to the north in Frontenac, Lillian Inch celebrating birthday number 15 as well. Happy birthday.
All right, now bopping over to Joplin. Happy 26th birthday to Kyler Dreeling.
And in Arma, Rain Wright celebrating birthday number 26 as well. Happy birthday.
Happy 66th birthday to Randy Alsop over in Crestline, Kansas.
And in Parsons, John Bolander celebrating another year wiser. Happy birthday, John.
And happy birthday to Kathy Doherty.
And we've got a 51st wedding anniversary for Randy and Patty Robinson over in Columbus. A very happy 51st anniversary to you.
Yes, congrats. And we have Joyce Schroyer, who turns 85.
I'm sure that Joyce feels like she's 20.
I bet. Happy birthday, Joyce.
And we've got Richard and Elizabeth Tanknell celebrating their 57th year of wedded bliss. Says happy anniversary from the kids, grandkids, and great-grandkids.
And happy birthday to Daniel Borey.
And last but certainly not least, Nancy Renfro, an LPN at Medical Lodges in Columbus, also celebrating another year wiser today. A very happy birthday and anniversary to everybody on our list. And if you would like to celebrate with us, Caitlin can tell you what you need to do.
All right. All you have to do is submit to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com. Be sure to include any photos or fun messages you want us to say on the special day.
And of course, don't forget to make sure that you meet that deadline that you see printed on the bottom of your screen. That way, it ensures that your birthday or anniversary makes it in on time.